it. How can I see the world if I can barely afford rent? Stop saying that, because you can definitely still see the world even when you're pinching pennies. My name's Kristy, and I've been to over 3 dozen countries on 5 different continents. I've learned so many ways to save money while traveling. So here at WomenWorking, we've gathered 8 ways to travel on a budget. Number 1, shop for deals. Always compare prices before you go. Websites like Expedia and Kayak can compare different prices for flights and rentals. And apps like Hopper can send you notifications when the price is at its lowest point. Also, be flexible with your dates. Sometimes you can save up to $100 if you leave a day earlier or 2 days later. Number 2, get to the point. Take advantage of loyalty programs for airlines, hotels, and even Airbnb gift cards. Some credit cards also have rewards programs for travel purchases. Number 3, plan your pack. If you bring a suitcase, you can toss in some non-perishable snacks and save money on eating out. Just make sure you put all your heaviest items in your carry-on bag to leave more room in your checked bag. Or you don't have to check a bag at all. If you know you're going to stay at a hotel, take advantage of complimentary items like toiletries or free breakfast. Just make sure you know what the security rules are before you fly. Number 4, enjoy your meals. Look, you should definitely eat out when you're traveling, but you don't have to eat out 3 meals a day. Maybe you could try a smaller breakfast and then have a bigger dinner. Also check out some of the local cuisine instead of eating at chain restaurants. And research the local tipping guidelines before you go. Here in New York City, maybe you'll spend 20% on a tip, but in other areas, it might be only 10%, or there might be no expected tip, so that when you have your gratuity, you save it for really exceptional service. Number 5, sleep for cheap. As long as you're comfortable, hostels, Airbnb, and even couch surfing are much more affordable options. But if you want to stay with hotels, definitely take advantage of rewards programs. Number 6, check your transportation. Compare bus, train, flight, and rental car information and figure out what works best for how much time you have and what works best for you. Also research your destination. For example, when I was in Europe, it was a lot faster to travel by train than by flight, so some options may work better than others. Number 7, mind your money. Some credit cards have foreign transaction fees, so be mindful of them. Also, take out your cash in bulk so you're not charged extra ATM fees every time. Finally, set a travel notice with your bank before you travel. Number 8, travel somewhere new. Look, if you're dying to see a certain destination, go for it. But if you're just going to any old recognizable city because it's the only one you know, try exploring some places that you hadn't thought about. Maybe there's a different city in the same country that you can see. Or even you can consider some countries or continents that you didn't think about before. Wherever you go, enjoy the experience. Did we forget any money-saving tips? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications on new videos. For more lifestyle content for empowered women, check us out at WomenWorking.com.